Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Opendoor Technologies just 3 days ago, to be precise on October the 7th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $9.15. And at this very point, my main assumption was that we were forming several impulsive waves to the upside, and in order to complete its structure, in order to hold the momentum, this asset shouldn't break the level of $8.94 because if it breaks it, well, the likelihood to hit higher targets becomes not so probable. And the title of my video is following: Open stock must break $10.75 if this level holds. Detailed analysis ahead. And the crucial levels is $8.94, and the second crucial level is this line, this range of support that was a very strong level of support for quite a while. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point, and since I made my previous video, this asset basically at the very next session broke $8.94 with the flying colors, and it had a bounce only out of the 0.786 level at $8.53. And this substantial movement to the downside was the potential signal that this asset might hit lower price targets, and it pretty much eliminated this movement to the upside and $10.75 as a price target. So, and this is another evidence, guys, of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, for now, you can join my Patreon account. You can join two tiers of my Discord group. One of them costs you $50 a month, and you will have 30-minute one-on-one Zoom call once a month. But if you join with the gold tier, you will have a weekly one-on-one training session with me for just $150 a month. And guys, to be honest, this is the most popular tier for my patrons right now. And let me show you a sneak peek on the most recent activity in the Discord group. Just recently, I published the recap of the week of July 28th through August the 3rd. And let me quote you this. On Monday, I prepared a list of 13 tickers that looked most promising for short positions. As of August the 6th, 10 of them delivered returns ranging from 0.33% to 24.4%, an average profit of 6.1%, while only 3 tickers showed a potential loss between 0.85% and 1.74%, an average loss of 1.22%. More detailed information is available in the attached images. And you can see that I made this call on July 28th, and I wrote, here's a list of tickers that might present shorting opportunities. Please remember, this is not a blind trade signal. Further technical analysis is required before taking actions. And here is the list of the tickers that gained substantial profits. It is 10 of them, and only 3 went in completely opposite direction. I also gave a direct short scalping recommendation on Tesla and Oracle. Both brought an average profit of around 1.5%. In addition, I identified one ticker suitable for a medium-term short position. If you'd like to know which company that is, join my Patreon. As usual, I provided a detailed market overview and analyzed the following tickers: SPY, BBAI, NOV, UNP, NEO, UAA, and CRWV. So guys, if you want to be a part of this amazing community, join my Patreon.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and on today's video I will show you the most detailed technical analysis. I will show you quite interesting news, and I have to admit that, I will show you extremely bullish news that might be a catalyst for the next potential leg to the upside for Opendoor Technologies, but also everything will depend on the crucial levels. If these levels hold, we might have quite substantial movement to the upside, but if it breaks breaks these levels, the likelihood of its trend continuation is not so probable. So, and let's first of all take a look at the general sentiment related to this stock. If you type in Google search bar open stock and switch to new stuff folder, you will see a lot of recent news, and the majority of them, well, are quite cautious, and these news ask very legitimate questions about the real value of the company and its fundamentals. And to be honest, Opendoor Technologies is the company that is a pretty much meme stock right now, and it doesn't have fundamentals that might support its movement. But guys, let me show you quite interesting details. First of all, I want to pay attention to the list of institutional investors. And yes, the most recent filings right here show that a lot of institutional investors closed their positions entirely, but some of them opened new positions, and it is quite decent positions, I would say. $94,000, $99,000, $112,000. But a lot of companies also reduced its position, and well, it is not the best sign. On top of that, you have to keep in mind that this is a filing date of this information. It is not the deal execution date. Real deals happened basically at least 45 days prior this filing date in the previous quarter. And yes, from this point of view, Opendoor Technologies don't have a lot of bullish momentum, but let me show you this. This is the list of insider trades, and you can see that the most recent filings, and guys, these filings doesn't have a delay, they have exact deal execution dates. We have several people who recently purchased Opendoor Technology stocks, and they purchased quite substantial number of the shares. So Shrisha Radhakrishna, I'm sorry for mispronouncing the name, bought about wait a second, about 30,000 units, 30,000 shares of Opendoor Technologies, and he bought it for the value of about $128,000, and he made it basically on August 28th. More interesting purchase was made by Wu Eric Chang Wei, and he purchased quite substantial amount of Opendoor Technology stocks for $3 and $2 million. In general, he paid about $5 million for his shares. And guys, take a look at the price chart. Wait a second, let's switch to hourly time frame. These vertical lines, these vertical blue lines represent these purchases. The first purchase was made right here at quite substantial, this position has quite substantial well, profit in it, about 91%. But these two purchases that were made by, wait a second, that was made by Wu Eric Chung Wei, and he's a director of, you can see it, he's a director of Opendoor Technologies. He purchased it on September 11th and September 26th, and the average price of these purchases is quite high. Well, I believe that on the one hand, he's barely break even with his position, because he bought it at $8.79. He bought $2 million in value. He put $2 million in this stock at about $8.8 average price, and somewhere here from $7.6 to $9 to $10, he purchased another $3 million of value in Opendoor Technology stock. And guys, well, this is definitely quite bullish sign, because if someone from insider traders list purchases these stocks, his own, the stock of his company, in this case, he thinks that something big might happen in the foreseeable future, and the price will definitely be higher. And that is the bullish sign. But from the technical standpoint, guys, Opendoor Technologies is at a crucial point. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let's switch to daily time frame. And let me show you this chart in details without any drawing tools. We can clearly identify first, second, third, and this is potentially the fourth wave. And if so, guys, you can see that I marked this as a Elliott wave breakdown right here. Let's delete these blue lines. I don't need these ones, and I don't need these purple lines as well. I will show you my forecast within just a minute, and I don't need this scale anymore. And guys, this is nothing else but a potential contender to be the top of the fifth wave, somewhere around $15 or $16 mark. And as long as this bottom holds, we are still in this potential movement to the upside. But guys, we also have another option. We might have the top of our fifth wave. Wait a second, let's move it like this. This might be an alternative count. And if so, guys, this asset should land substantially lower, and these green rectangles might also be points of control because it is a structural levels of support. And for now, guys, let's switch to, let's say, 3 hours time frame. I want to show you that this asset, well, not on 3 hours time frame. I want to show you that we have this line, and I have to adjust it. Sometimes these lines of support might jump, I don't know, for whatever reason, and it might not reflect the real price action, real range of support. But here is on the 1 hour time frame, this line works perfectly well. We had the range of support, and we have the retest of this line right here. I have to adjust it a little bit. Here is the first touch, here is the second, third, fourth. We almost touched it right here, we touched it right here, and this was a very good range of support as well. But for now, guys, we have a breakout below this range, and it is not a good sign. In general, this type of breakouts below crucial levels of support indicates that potentially this asset might go even lower. And the next point of control is very close to our current price. It is at $7.84, and it is not deeper than, wait a second, than just 5% to the downside. Next point of control is right here, and these 2 points where this asset might have at least a bounce if the downtrend continues. That is why, guys, be cautious with your long position on open, because fundamentally this company still doesn't have a lot of bullish news and a lot of facts that might support its movement to the upside. But at the same time, guys, some news from the insider trading list makes me thinking that potentially it still has another chance to hit higher target, but everything depends on the breakout below 7.8, below $7.1, or above this about 9.4 to $9.5. Depending on the breakouts below these crucial levels or above this level, we might anticipate its trend continuation in the following directions. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock